Welcome back to the channel, my friends. We have a weird video for today. This is going to be a did this officer turn SovCit once he left the job? So this is going to be a case where a ex-officer got pulled over for a traffic stop, fled to his house, jumped out of his car, and tried to hide in his house, saying, "Oh, home base, you can't do anything. I touched home base." And then the chief of police is going to come out and disagree with his use of the script or the sovereign citizen behavior that he's exhibiting, and there might be a tasing. Just saying, there is a lawsuit going on with this, so do your best YouTube university lawyering in the comments. Say whether you agree with the ex-cop or if you agree with the police chief. Let me know. Enjoy the video.
What's up?
So I stopped him for speeding, 41 and a 25. He pulls in right here. He's originally parked here. I get out to get my ticket book out of the back of the patrol car because it's in my patrol bag in the trunk. And he pulls up here, gets out of the car. I tell him, "You're not free to leave. You're detained at this time." He proceeds to ignore me and proceeds inside the house. Requests my supervisor, said that I'm not detained. You have no way to prove that I was speeding. And enters the house against my order.
Is this his house?
Yes.
Okay. Secure it and go get a search warrant. I guess. Because it's infraction, right? Some of the guys just an infraction on him. Yeah.
He said he would talk to you.
He said he would talk to you, but he's not going to talk to me. I have his ID in the car.
It's who?
Elijah is his first name.
You want to talk to me?
Yeah.
Well, he said that he wanted my supervisor. I said my chief is on his way.
He said there was no way
And
to
he said
monitor
that-
his speed with our officer.
So you have obstructing?
Yeah.
He is committed in your presence. What's his name again?
Elijah.
Hey, is Elijah here?
He is.
Can I talk to him?
Okay, I'll let him know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Do you know this Elijah character? You want to take him in custody?
What's that?
I'll take him into custody if he opens up.
If he's willing to cooperate, then
So even though he was going 41 and a 25, and then decided to play jump out and find out, this officer doesn't even necessarily want to arrest him even. He's just said, you know, if he'll cooperate and we can write him some citations, we'll be good to go. He doesn't even want to arrest him. It seems like the police chief is like, we should probably arrest him, but the officer's like, no, we're good as long as he cooperates. So it just proves that from this point forward, the interaction and how it goes depends 1000% on Elijah's behavior.
Elijah,
Hello.
come on in here so we can talk to you for a minute.
No, I'm not coming out there. This is my home.
Okay, well, we need to issue
We
this
can talk right
citation,
here.
so
And that's fine.
can you give this officer a chance to... So we have two options, okay? Here's the thing. We can issue this citation, and you can plead your case to courts, or I'll take you to jail right now for obstruct and delay.
Okay.
So, it's up to you.
I said he could give me the citation
Okay,
already.
well then, come on out here so he can finish this up.
I don't need to go out there for him to issue citations. There's no further
Yeah,
reason
you
for me
do.
to
You
be
need
out
to stand there next to your vehicle because he told you weren't free to go yet. He needs to issue citation. So please go there, wait by your vehicle, so that way he can issue citation.
there. That makes no sense. I
Okay.
have things to take care of.
You have 2 seconds to go by your vehicle and let him issue citation, or I'm going to place
so
you under
you're going to
arrest.
come on my
Or
property.
you're going to be placed under arrest for obstructing. Take your pick.
Obstructing what exactly?
You're obstructing his investigation into traffic. And he's trying to
No,
issue a
there is
citation.
there is
Okay,
no
if you
obstruction.
feel that the injustice has been, or whatever, you can apply it, you can take it up with the courts, but I need you to go by your vehicle so he can give you the citation and you can be on your way. You're stretching this out way longer than what it needs to be. It's a speeding
Okay.
ticket. Okay.
It's
So
a speeding ticket, so can you tell me even how he would
Okay.
determine speed? What is your
okay,
guys'
that is something you're going to have to take up with the
determining
judge. You can
speed?
fight that part of
Okay,
the court.
because I'm getting tired of you guys hanging out
Okay.
here. This is my home. You're
Okay.
going to sit here and try to do a speed
Okay.
trap right here. So no, if you want to issue a citation, you go ahead and issue a citation.
Then
right
come out
now.
here, wait by your vehicle.
No, I am not.
Come out here, wait by your
No,
vehicle.
because then once I leave my private home, then that gives you reason for arrest. I am on my private.
You're right now. You're about ready to go to jail.
Yeah, I don't trust you guys. I'm going to go ahead and call my lawyer
Okay.
and
Well-
call the city attorney, and
Okay.
then we will
Well, you
discuss.
can come out here and
okay?
have your.
You have no right into my home. You have passed the threshold. Get your foot off of my door.
You need to come out here to finish
Go
this.
ahead, call the attorney.
That's fine. You're more than welcome to.
You have no right to come in here for a speeding ticket.
Okay.
Get your foot out
Now,
of my door.
but you're obstructing.
I've already heard about you as a chief of police. You're cricket. Get your foot out of my door. I know you have no problem breaking the law. Get your foot out of my door.
Then stand right here. Then do me a favor and stand right here so you can issue the citation.
The sheriff's department.
Sheriff's department's right here.
Okay, good. So go ahead and call
So-
the attorney.
Okay. This is not necessary over a speeding ticket.
You
Okay.
Yeah, I know exactly. What are you saying that for?
So-
Of course, this isn't necessary.
Okay.
Go ahead, call our neighbor here and call Silas as well.
Okay. So come on out here so we can issue
No, I will
citation.
not.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Yes.
So are you going to come out here so he can issue the citation?
Not at this time, no.
Okay.
Until I have further witnesses
Okay.
to deal
Well,
with
you have a
guys.
county deputy here, so you have two options. Like I said.
No, that one's very cricket.
Okay.
No.
Well,
That guy.
step out here.
No, I am not. I am getting witnesses, and then
Okay,
once I
that's
have
fine.
other witnesses here, then I will step
No,
outside.
this is not how this works.
That is
So-
how it's going to work.
No, it's not.
And this is what I was talking about. Where he go full SovCit here? Is he trying to play the home base because he legitimately? They flipped on the lights and sirens. He fled to his house, jumped out of his car, and ran inside of his home. And now he's playing the I'm going to stay inside where my wife and kid are, assuming he's probably going to use them as a human shield if he can. I'm kind of curious. Police activity labeled this as ex-deputy or ex-cop or whatever. I'm kind of curious on why he's an ex-cop. Like, what were the circumstances of him getting fired or resigning? I have to assume they're not very good if he's fleeing from traffic stops. And 41 into 25, in my head, that's a valid traffic stop for most people. So the fact that he's, again, fled a traffic stop into his house, now he's hiding in his house, saying, can't get me. And he's still trying to pretend that he's in the right. It's kind of shocking to me.
I don't have that.
Okay, you're under arrest.
No.
Open the door. You're under arrest.
Out of my
Our
house.
house. You
Get the
cannot
out.
come into our house.
Open the door. You're
Open the
under
door,
arrest.
or I'm gonna tase you.
Daddy.
Open the door, or you're gonna get tased.
Open the door.
No.
Open the door.
No, you cannot
Open
take
the
my
door.
husband.
He's under arrest.
He's under arrest.
You
Open
are
the
not-
door,
Daddy,
or you're gonna get tased.
Pastor, I don't have I don't have their numbers. Daddy.
Open the door now, or you're gonna get tased.
Individual was placed under arrest.
I am
Open
calling
the door,
for further
or you're
witnesses.
gonna get tased.
Wait.
Are you saying you are not allowing me to call?
No, you're under arrest at this point.
I'm calling a witness.
You're under arrest. Open up. Help you push the door.
No! How do you do that? No!
Because he's under arrest.
No, he's not under arrest, Daddy! Stop! Our daughter is here!
Get off of me.
Our daughter is
Taser,
here!
taser!
No! 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 Our daughter is here!
On the ground. On the ground. Stop resisting. You're gonna get tased again.
Daddy! Stop! Help! Help! Help!
Stop resisting, or you're gonna get tased again.
Help! Oh, me help!
I'm out of my
Stop resisting, or you're gonna get tased again.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my God!
Let him
This
get the
is
cuffs
not
on you, we'll get the-
necessary! Help!
Dispatch
You see
1500.
this?
Taser
Call
deployed.
Pastor Paul.
Hello? This is not necessary. Daddy, this is not necessary. This is not,
on the way.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna roll you up, sit you on your.
I got it.
Okay.
I got it.
got it?
Touch me. Get off of me. I will roll
so
over.
crooked. This is so crooked. He didn't, in his own home.
He was placed under arrest.
He was not.
He did.
He was not.
That guy placed him under arrest.
Did you request
We
EMS
just
yet?
got in our house, sir, and our daughter's
Dispatch Bill
here.
1500 stage meds.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Stay seated.
I'm gonna stand up.
No, you listen to these.
You're not safe in this position. I have nothing to do. I'm handcuffed.
Okay.
I'm
Please,
getting up.
our daughter is
I'm
here.
getting
and our
up.
son.
Send him in your car, or is he? Okay, we got probes.
I'm gonna put it in mine or yours.
Send him in yours right now.
Hold on. I think you still got that knife in your pocket? I'm gonna leave that here. So come over here.
Dispatch Bill 1500. Go ahead and send meds in.
Okay, so bear with me, guys. I had to flip my hat backwards, Ash Ketchum style, to finish this video. This is, in my opinion, the ex-officer that decided he was going to play home base with the police is an absolute scumbag. The fact that he would be willing to do this in front of his daughter, a baby, no less, CPS should probably be informed and called. The fact that the mom was trying to use the daughter as an excuse for her husband's poor behavior, that's another reason CPS should be called. So, in my opinion, he only wanted more witnesses so that they could get more phones on the situation so they could clip it out and put it on social media as per the norm for 2025. Whenever the police arrest you, you want to get as many parts clipped out so that you can play victim. They're probably going to neglect to say that he fled from a traffic stop and jumped in his house and then blah, blah, blah from the inside. But, as I said, this case is ongoing. I believe this took place, let me double check, 2023 in December. And this is still being looked at in federal court. So, the case stems from this arrest, yada yada. Johnson's attorney, Elijah Johnson, says that his rights were violated because they entered his house without a warrant using a stun gun during the arrest. But as per usual, the scummy defense attorney, or the scummy person representing the subject here, is neglecting to put context into the situation. The police didn't just randomly show up at some random person's house and say, oh, you're under arrest, we're going to come in your house. That's not at all what happened. And the attorneys for the city and police department said that he became subject to an arrest after engaging with the officers at his door after fleeing from a traffic stop. So it's like anybody should probably look at that and be like, yeah, this guy's a scumbag to begin with. And one side says it's illegal, the other side says it's perfectly legal. You guys be the judge. I just don't understand these situations. Mrs. KFARR would beat my ass if I decided to flee from a traffic stop and then use my kid as a defense of why I shouldn't be arrested. So, yeah, do with that if you, whatever you guys want. Don't go harass people. Don't go do all that nonsense. Have a good rest of your weekend. Peace.